Pack with me for New Year's Eve with my Samsonite Better Than Basics Weekender bag. And here is what I packed for a New Year's Eve overnighter. So, first off, toiletries. I've got this little toiletry bag, mouthwash, poopery, toothpaste, eyelash wash, my toothbrush, which is electric. This is for my eyelashes, nail clipper and tweezers, just in case I need them. This is a primer that I use while I travel. This is feminine spray, sunscreen, and deodorant. My Cadence containers with my lotions and creams, lip mirror, my face wash with my face sponge, and eyelash wash span. Now inside these cubes, I've got my shoes and my dress. This is my toiletries bag that I just went over with you. Here are the clothes I'm packing, pajamas and things for the next morning. My sleep bag, which has my eye mask, my sleep bonnet, and this little case which I carry for my rings. This is my wet bag, which is my soap, shower cap, and sponge. My handbag I'll be using, it's a masquerade ball, so these are the masks. I'm not sure which one. These are my hair tools. So now to get to packing, this has a portion at the bottom, so it's perfect for packing, and usually what I put in are my toiletries and then my slippers, kind of my last things that I pack so that I can pack everything else and then as I'm leaving. Inside I've got my clothes, my shoes, my hair tools, my masquerade mask, handbag, and they all fit in very nicely in my sleep bag. And with that, I can zip them all up and I am ready for the ball. Thanks for watching.